Hey, what's going on? Nick Tsai here. So in this video, I want to talk about 6 different ways you can do to turn your website visitors into email subscribers. Because we all know that your email list is your ultimate asset. So maybe one day a Google or Bing may change their algorithm, right? So if we only depend on Google to send us traffic, we are not really building a long-term business. That's the reason why every time you get a traffic, you want to figure out a way to turn them into your email subscribers. So how do we do about that? The first way we can have a call to actions in our article, right? So in your article, we can say, hey, go here to sign up to my free report or free training, right? So if they click on the link and they sign up, they become your subscriber, right? Another one is you can have an exit pop-up. So when your audience, when your visitors try to leave your website, you can say, hey, do you want to get more information here? Or hey, you want to get a free training, things like that. Also, you can have a call to action in the menu. And also you can put a banner ad or a sidebar opt-in. So when people see your sidebar and say, wow, I really want to sign up. Or you can have something that we called a back button redirection. So I will explain that later. And also you can run retargeting ads. So you can run ad from Facebook or from Google. Then you can target whoever visited your site, right? So you can send them back to your opt-in page. So let's take a look at examples. This was one of my blogs. As you can see, this one is on the menu. So this is actually a link to my opt-in page. So when someone click on the link, they will go to my opt-in page and then they can sign up as my subscriber. Another one is the sidebar opt-in. So when someone see this offer, then they enter their email, then they click on this button, they will be directed to my thank you page, and also they will sign up to my email list as well. And also on there we have banner ads, and if you click on the banner ad here, you will be directed to the opt-in page as well. Another way you can do is you can put a call to action at the end of your article. So we have one call to action here says that, hey, do you want to learn more about selling on Amazon? And if they do want to learn, they can click on the link here and to go to our opt-in page and sign up for the free training. Another one is exit pop-up. So when someone tries to leave the page, there will be a pop-up shown up to say, hey, we have a special offer for you, or please leave your email address and we will send it to you. So that is another way you can use to build your email list. Another way is back button redirect. So when someone click on the back button on the page, instead of go to the actual previous page, they'll be sent to an opt-in page. And you will need to install some code in order to do that. This is pretty much like your second exit pop-up. So if you can apply this, you got more chances to get more leads from your blog. So the last one is retargeting ads. So those ads will only show up to people who already visited the site. So I can either use the retargeting ad to promote my ebook, my courses, or my opt-in page. So you can actually just sell your product using your retargeting ad as well. But also you can use retargeting ads to send the traffic to your opt-in page so you can convert them into your lead. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you soon in the next one.